Biden got some welcome economic news on Friday following the release of the latest unemployment numbers, which are inching closer to pre-pandemic levels. The economy added 431,000 jobs in March. That's the 11th straight month of job growth, over 400,000. And that ticked the unemployment rate down from 3.8% to 3.6%, the lowest it's been since the start of the pandemic. But high gasoline prices are also fueling concerns as the nation's seeing the largest inflation spike in 40 years. Scott MacFarlane is at the White House with the very latest. Scott, good morning.
And Michelle, good morning to you. The Biden administration is celebrating this weekend that new jobs report and those 400,000 new jobs. But at the same time, it's watching gas prices soar.
President Biden will begin his weekend trip to Delaware, attending the commissioning ceremony of a Navy submarine today, after celebrating a jobs report showing the job market is cruising.
Good morning.
The president wasted no time touting the good unemployment news, with the unemployment rate down to 3.6%.
Over the course of my presidency, our recovery has now created 7.9 million jobs. More jobs created over the first 14 months of any presidency in any term ever.
A surge of openings in leisure and hospitality in particular, and nearly 2 job openings for every unemployed American. And paychecks are getting fatter, wages up more than 5% in March. But that's not keeping up with inflation, with more of that take-home pay getting siphoned at the gas pump. Unleaded averaging well over $4 a gallon.
But it will come down, and it could come down fairly significantly.
The administration is waiting to see if this week's announcement of tapping into strategic oil reserves lowers the prices. But in the meantime, it's not just Americans, but the public schools getting a test in economics.
How stressful is it when you see diesel get close to $5 a gallon, operating all these diesel vehicles?
It's stressful because you have to go back and look at your budget and like, okay, are we going to make it?
Nationwide, schools from Montgomery County, Maryland, to Michigan to New York are considering revised bus routes to conserve fuel. Newport News, Virginia will operate fewer buses by extending the maximum ride for kids from 60 minutes to 90.
The Biden administration has announced new fuel standards for traditional cars and trucks, requiring better gas mileage by the 2024 models. The administration argues that could save drivers hundreds of dollars each year at the pump. Michelle?
They're looking for that, saving money. Scott, thank you so much.